Welcome to academy.com. Let us do the history of early Pandyas and Sangam period. The Pandya dynasty or the Pandya kingdom or the Pandyas of Madurai was one of the important dynasties of the Sangam age, and the other two dynasties were Cheras and the Chola dynasties. It had a monarchy government with the religion Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. The Pandya dynasty was preceded by the Chola Empire and succeeded by the Madurai Nayak dynasty, Tenkasi Pandya, Delhi Sultanate, Vijayanagar Empire and Jaffna Kingdom. Today, the Pandya dynasty is part of Sri Lanka, India also. The capital of the Pandyas dynasty was Madurai, with Kar as the national anthem. The Madurai Kanchi literary work and Tamil literary works like Silappadigaram were some of the Sangam literary works of 3rd century BCE, which described the Pandyan dynasty's kings. The most plausible variant of this early dynasty was Nedunjaliyan II, who won the Talayalanganam battle against Cholas and Cheras along the 5 other kingdom coalition forces. West Travancore, North Vellour River, and South and East portions were the areas where Pandya dynasty extended. The 3 Tamil dynasties rulers were regarded as Tamil country's 3 crowned rulers, that is Moovengar. Origin and sources of the Pandya dynasty. The sources of Pandya dynasty are as follows. The literature of Sangam period. The number of Sangam literature poems describing the kings of this dynasty like Talayalanganam Victor, Nedunjaliyan, and of sacrifices Mudugudimi Peruvaladi. These are the Sangam literatures. Their commercial and social activities were also mentioned in short poems like the Prananuru and Ahananuru. Epigraphy. Nedunjaliyan figure was the earliest Pandya's epigraphy in the record of Meenakshipuram. Ashoka Pillar also described the Pandyas, and also in his inscriptions mentioned the South India people as Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas as proselytism of Buddhism recipient. Foreign resources. Pandyan kingdom's riches was described by the Erythraean Sea periples and some more inscriptions. The Puniyi kingdom was mentioned by Yu Huan, the Chinese historian. An embassy was received by Julian, the Roman emperor from Pandya. Now we'll discuss further detail about history of early Pandyas and Sangam age. The early Pandyas were one of the 3 main kingdoms in the ancient Tamil countries of Tamilakam, along with the Cholas and Cheras. The origin of the Pandyan dynasty are unknown, but they are believed to have ruled in the southernmost region of India from before 3rd century BCE. The capital of the early Pandyas was initially Korkai, Thoothukudi, but was later moved to Kodan, now Madurai, during the reign of Nedunjaliyan I. The early Pandyas were involved in trade with other kingdoms and regions, including the Roman Empire. They traded spices, textiles, fuels, and precious stones. The village was the most fundamental unit of administration under the Pandyas. The affairs of village were the responsibility of its elders. The early Pandyas are frequently mentioned in Sangam literature such as the Madurai Kanchi and Silappadigaram. The major rulers of Pandya kingdom include Kodungon ruled from 590 to 628 BCE and earned the title of Pandya, Pandyadiraja. Maravarman Avani Kulamani ruled from 620 to 640 CE and assumed the title of Maravarman. Jayandavarman ruled from 640 to 670 AD and was known as Sellian Sendan. All are ADs only, not CE. AD. Harikesari Maravarman ruled from 670 to 720 AD and was also known as Harikesari. Some of the early Pandyas include Nedunjerian 1, Nedunjerian 2, Nedunjerian 3, Pudu Pandyan, Nanmaran, Ukira Perveludi, Musri Mutria Chelian, Maran Valudi. These are some early Pandyas. The characteristics of Pandya kings in the Sangam era. In Sangam era, how they ruled. The time period falling between 6th century BCE and 3rd century CE is also referred to the Sangam era. It is named after the Sangam academies that received royal patronage from the kings of the Pandya dynasty. These academies were assemblies of eminent poets and revered literary personalities. The Pandyan kingdom was an ancient Tamil state in South India. They, along with the Chera and Chola, were the three most prominent ancient Tamil kingdom. Their period of rule collectively lasted till the 15th century from prehistoric times. Initially, they adopted Korkai as their capital. However, later they made Madurai their new seat of power. Under Jatavarman Sundarapandyan, the Pandyan kingdom witnessed its golden age. They conquered the northern half of the island of Sri Lanka, and this period saw the largest expansion of the Pandyan kingdom. Their territories at this point in time also included Kerala. They also had maritime trade relationship with other Southeast Asian kingdoms. The Pandyas are mentioned in the Sangam literature texts. The texts were composed in the assemblies of learned and revered literary personalities of ancient South India called the Sangam academies. They also received royal patronage from the Pandyas and flourished under them. The Sangam texts are considered masterpieces of ancient Tamil literatures. The Sangam period lasted from 600 BCE to 300 CE, nearly 700 years. The Sangam period, this is the Pandya kingdom in Sangam period. The word Sangam in the Tamil language can be closely associated with the Sanskrit word Sangha, which means an association or group of like-minded people. The Tamil Sangam was an association of poets and revered literary figures. There were mainly three periods in which Sangam flourished. These academics on Sangam also received royal patronage under the Pandya dynasty. The legend says that the first Sangam was attended even by the gods and revered sages in Madurai. It was held under the royal patronage of Pandya king Mekiti. Rishi Agastya, a learned sage, presided over the first kingdom. According to the legend, the first Sangam was held in Madurai, which was submerged underwater at the time. It is believed that several gods of Hindu pantheon also attended the event, such as Shiva and Kubera, and that it lasted for a period of 4,400 years. However, no written record or literature from the first Sangam is available in any form. The second Sangam was held Kabadapuram, which was another capital of the Pandya kingdom. It is believed to be attended by a huge number of revered poets and bards. It was held under the presidency of Tolkappiyar. There were a total of 59 members of the second Sangam, and a total of 1,700 poets were believed to have participated in the assembly, which lasted for 3,700 years before. The only surviving literature from the Sangam is Tolkappiyam, Early Tamil grammar. The third and perhaps the most documented Sangam was held in the present Madurai. A vast collection of literature was produced in this Sangam, but only a part of that is available from the Sangam which was survived from this age. It was presided over by Nakira under the patronship of 59 Pandyan kings. About Sangam Tamil literature. What are they? The works composed during the Sangam era are considered masterpieces in Tamil literature. According to legends, thousands of poems and literary works were composed in Sangams. However, only a handful have survived in the modern era. Some of the prominent works out of the Sangam literature include Tolkappiyam, பத்து எட்டுத்தொகை பதினெண்கீழ்கணக்கு and two epics named Silappadigaram and Manimegalai. The Tolkappiyam is considered the earliest surviving work of the Sangam literature. It is believed to have been composed during the second Sangam. It's essentially the earliest known book on Tamil grammar. However, it is also gives insight into several other aspects of the ancient Tamil lifestyle, such as socio-economic conditions. This book deals with Eluthu, that is letter, Kol, word, and Porul, subject matter, in three parts, each comprising 9 sections. Already we talked about the Pandya dynasty. The kings of Pandya dynasty founded the Pandya state. This state was a major power in South India along with Chola and Chera kingdom till the advent of Muslim rulers such as the Delhi Sultanate. Those are some kings in the Pandya kingdom. Conclusively, we can talk about the Sangam literature is the most important part of Tamil literature, and its work are considered masterpieces of scholars. Sangam were assemblies of revered literature figures. These assemblies authored some of the most famous works of literature in Tamil. These academies or assemblies also received royal patronage from the Pandya dynasty. It is believed that there were 3 periods of the Sangam era. Not much information is available about the first 2 periods. However, the third Sangam era has been confirmed by historians to have occurred between 6th century BCE and 3rd century CE. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.